Atomic habits is a relatively new concept, while Buddhism is over 2,500 years old. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating intersection of atomic habits and Buddhist teachings. If you're looking to transform your life through small, consistent changes, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch until the end for a secret tip that can truly enhance your journey. Atomic habits, a concept popularized by James Clear, emphasizes the power of tiny changes to achieve remarkable results over time. It aligns seamlessly with Buddhist principles, which also value mindfulness, intentional actions, and continuous self-improvement. Today, we'll dive into how you can integrate atomic habits with Buddhist practices to build a life of greater peace, purpose, and fulfillment. First, let's talk about setting intentions. Setting a clear, mindful intention before starting any habit is crucial. Take a moment to silently state your intention before beginning a new habit. For example, before meditating, set the intention to cultivate inner peace. Intentions anchor your actions in purpose and mindfulness, making your habits more meaningful and effective. Next, create a sacred space. This means designating a specific, clutter-free space for your new habits. Choose a quiet, dedicated spot in your home for activities like meditation, reading, or exercise. A sacred space enhances focus and consistency, making it easier to stick to your habits. Lastly, practice daily reflection. Taking time each day to reflect on your habits and their impact is vital. At the end of the day, spend a few minutes journaling about your progress, challenges, and feelings. Reflection provides insights into what's working and what needs adjustment, fostering continuous improvement and self-awareness. Now let's look at some practical tips for building atomic habits with Buddhist principles. First, start small and be consistent. Begin with tiny, manageable changes. For example, meditate for just 1 minute a day. Consistency is key. Daily practice, even if small, leads to significant change over time. Second, use mindful triggers. Associate new habits with existing routines. For instance, practice deep breathing every time you sit down to work. Mindful triggers help integrate new habits seamlessly into your daily life. Third, reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and make adjustments as needed. Embrace the Buddhist practice of self-reflection to stay aligned with your goals. And here's a secret tip. Practice gratitude daily. Spend a few moments each day acknowledging the good in your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, creating a positive mindset that supports habit change. Now you know how atomic habits and Buddhist teachings can work together to transform your life. Remember, small, consistent actions can lead to big changes. Start today and see the difference. The key takeaway is that integrating mindfulness, consistency, and reflection into your daily routines can profoundly impact your life. Before ending this video, I would love to hear your opinion and feedback in the comments section. So, don't forget to leave a comment. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.